are going to do the activity number 2, where we are talking about musical instruments. We've chosen 5 instruments. At the back you have their name, but for now we just have to present a picture. Remember that each time we are doing it, we have to start from the card which is the closest to us. In that case it's a classical guitar. Then we are presenting all of 5, and then we have to finish as the last one, this one which was first, the classical guitar. Then in a output we are going to present or 2 or even until 5 cards for child to show us one instrument. And I would suggest always when you are gathering cards, immediately mix it, so next time when you will put it on the back, you are picking it up, it's already prepared for a new presentation, okay? So each time we can start from different card, and in different order we can show these pictures. Okay, so I will do it like that. Hey, are you ready? Let's start! Flute, classical guitar, snare drum, violin, grand piano and flute. Okay, please, can you choose 3 cards? This one and this one. Yes, this one you can take as well. Thank you so much. Okay, very good. So now, show me a flute. Mommy, I think this is flute. You showed me actually classical guitar. And flute is here. Thank you. As you see, I did this example especially with the error, because this is something what we need to understand. Doesn't exist an error or a mistake. If something happened like that, which is very often, we have to always define, you showed me the other instrument, and this one which I asked about is here. Very soon child is going to know exactly where is the pointed instrument. Sometimes when kids already know everything, they are going to give us a wrong answer just because they are tired of it. That will be also a signal for us, it's enough. They already know, they want something new. So don't be scared, but kids, they have such a fast pace of learning. So for us, sometimes we need a longer time to learn something. For kids, it's very fast. This is also why we are showing these pictures in a 1 second break, okay? This is very important, because if I would show you this card for 5 seconds, even you would tell me that this is too long, and you will be already not interested looking at the other places. So you can be very fast, and you can be very tolerant with things, with the answers which are not exactly the way you expect, okay? Everything is about the input. This is the most important. The output is just the opportunity to take what we have inside, but doesn't mean that always we are doing it the right way, but doesn't mean that we are not learning, okay? In Talent Garden, we don't like tests. We don't do that. We are just creating opportunity for our kids to grow. Thank you. Ready? Boom! Okay. This is grand piano, violin, snare drum, classical guitar, flute, and a grand piano. Can you choose one? Just one. One. Okay, Caroline already have it? Just one? Yes, sir. Just one? Yes, Caroline. Very good. What do we have here? Guys, show me the grand piano.
Show me grand piano.
Excellent.
Yay!
Good job. Yes.
Bye.
Good
job.
That's amazing.